everyone. Today is 13 October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is string method in Java. Before our start our Viva topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajanan Surose. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical in Pune University. So we will return to our Viva topic. So uh, uh, first we will say about what is string. Generally, string is an object which represents sequence of characters. An array of characters works same as string in Java. For example, for example, uh, string. For example, character of RSCH is equal to in bracket hello. Then string S is equal to new string in bracket ch. It array of character works same as string Java. So string s is equal to hello. The In Java, string class provides lots of methods to perform operations such as char@, code point at, code point before, code point count, compare to, ignore case, concat, contains, content equals, um, ends with, equals, ignore case, uh, then index of, internal, substring, length, then replace first, replace all, split, starts with, to char array, to string, to upper case, to lower case, trim, and value of. These are our string methods. So we will see in deep. uh, in Java string, first method is char@. The, in char@ methods, it returns the character at the specified index, uh, uh, that is position. Its return type is char. Then second is code point at. uh, in code point at, it returns the unicode of the character at the specified index. Its return type is int. Then third method is code point before. In code point before, it returns the unicode of the character before the specified index. Its return value is int. Then fourth method of string is uh, compare to. uh, it it compares two string lexicographically. Then its return type is int. Then next method is compare to ignore case. In compare to ignore case, it compares two strings lexicographically, ignoring case differences. Its return type is int. Then our next method in string is concat. um, it concates the string, and its return type is string. Then our next method is ends with. In ends with method, it checks whether a string ends with the specified characters. Its return type is boolean. Then next method is um, index of. In index of method, it returns the position of the first found occurrence of specified characters in a string. Its return type is int. Then our next method is length. It The length in string is returns the length of specified string. Its return type is int. Then our next method is replace all. In replace all method, it replaces each substring of the string that matches the given regular expressions with the given replacement. Our its return type is a string. Then next method in string is to lowercase. To lowercase method, it converts string to lowercase letters. Its return type is string. So this is all about string in methods of string. Thank you.